A good friend knows all your best stories, but a best friend has lived them with you. Friendship is a two-way street, not a one-way road. If you make friends with yourself, you will never be alone. True friends are those rare people who come to find you in dark places and lead you back to the light. True friendship is like sound health. Its value of it is seldom known until it is lost. The best mirror is an old friend. A chat with your bestie solves everything. A good friend knows all your stories, a best friend helps you write them. Everybody deserves somebody who makes them look forward to tomorrow. The love that comes from friendship is the underlying phase of happy life. Hard times will always reveal true friends. Best friends. It's a promise, not a label. Because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. Single. No, I have a best friend. Friends are the siblings God never gave us. We need at least one friend who understands what we do not say. Best friends never have the same nature, they just have the best understanding of their differences. My favorite hobby is making my friend angry. Dear friend, you are my strength when I am weak. Friendship is the wine of life. I am so glad I have a friend like you. Friendship is the golden thread that ties the heart of all the world. Friends show their love in times of trouble, not in happiness. Best friends are like mirrors and shadow. Mirror don't lie and shadow never leave. Friends are the bacon bits in the salad bowl of life. Best friend, 1 million memories, 10,000 inside jokes, 100 shared secrets. Real friends stab you in the front.